22 Topps Archives Baseball Hobby. 5-box break number 6, random teams. All right, we have 28 names, 28 teams. Let's roll the dice, do the random. Randomized 9 times. Good luck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Johnny B down to Kazuto M. 9 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Tigers down to Red Sox. All right, we have Johnny B Tigers, Nick N Orioles, Dustin M Blue Jays, Johnny B Padres, Ross T Cardinals, Glenn W Rockies, Greg T A's, John A Yankees and Rays, Dustin M Dodgers, Michael L Phillies, Jonathan H Giants, Lewis L Astros, Edward W Reds, Ryan B Royals, John W Rangers and Nats, John A Mariners, Greg T Angels, David B Cubs, Margaret M Brewers, John A D-backs, Jeff M Marlins, Nick N White Sox, Glenn W Guardians Twins, Corey F Pirates, Glenn W Braves, Wenchu L Mets, and Kazuto M Red Sox. All right, I'll get those results posted to the website. Drop a link in the chat, print them out, and we'll get this going. All right, results are posted. Here's your link. Print these results and we'll start. All right. John A crushed in the random. Got the D-backs and then got Rays, Mariners, and Yankees. Gee whiz. All right. Postcard box topper, Francisco Lindor. Mets. Let's get those Bowman breaks filled up. Hey, what's up, Donald? How's it going? Doing great here. How are you? We have Braves, Orioles, Cubs, Marlins, Twins, Blue Jays, and Nationals. 7 to go on that. It's Ricky, Stephen Kwan. Will you close that door, please? Usual. Mackenzie Gore, rookie green to 125. Morning, Brian. How are you? That is nice. Giants, fan favorites auto. Alyssa Nakin. There you go. Nice one, Giants. Congrats, San Francisco, one of the first female coaches. There's Judge. She's their hitting coach, right? I don't think she was one of. I think she was the first. Walker Buehler, Rosarena, Friedel, Joe Ryan. Doing great here. Got a little snow this morning. Gosh, I guess it is mid-October. Liam Hendricks. Being in Florida, mid-October means not as miserably hot, but not cold yet. There's Francisco Lindor, red hot foil to 50. Nice one, Mets. Yeah, it's about the same here, Brian. I think it was like 71 this morning. It's Mackenzie Gore, Jeremy Pena, rookie 87. Bryce Harper, Brock. Garrett Cole, Jackson Coar. Ready for a big hit here. Cunha, Jake McCarthy. Again, Braves, Orioles, Cubs, Marlins, Twins, Blue Jays, and Nationals. All still available for our next break. There's Showtime. That's 22 Bowman Jumbo, 4-box number 43. Pick your team. Let me drop you a link here. Aaron Duran, Randy Johnson, Vidal Brujan, 34. Yeah, you can keep that cold up there. Oh, nice, Tyler. Appreciate it. Yeah, good luck. Pujols and A's. Major League debut auto, Jose Canseco. You go, Oakland. Josh Lowe. There's Bobby Witt Jr., rookie. Yeah, nice one, Greg. Sonny Gray. Julio Rodriguez, rookie. Jay Melendez debut. Jose Siri. Cabrera. Hank Aaron. Verlander. There's Lindor. Reggie. Babe Ruth debut. There's Dave Winfield. Silver to 99. No, this was random team style. Mattingly. Soler. All right, last pack, box 1. Robbie Ray. All right. Here we go. Let's get that Bowman Jumbo. That's 22 Bowman Jumbo, 4-box number 43. Pick your team filled up. We still have the Braves, Orioles, Cubs, Blue Jays, and Nationals. 5 to go now. There's Joey Votto, postcard box topper. All those teams are marked down. There's CJ Abrams, rookie debut. What are you talking about, Phil? Joey Gallo. There's Paul Goldschmidt. Silver. It's the 99. And Royals. Rookie draft pick auto. Jackson Kowar. You go KC. Pete Alonso. Valade. Newt Bar. Bryce Harper. The Cubs was the highest price of the remaining teams in that break. The Cubs, really good in 22 Bowman. That's Mariano Rivera, rainbow foil. That's 8 of 199. Ezeal. There's Bryce Harper debut. Juan. What Park? Nelson Cruz. Ramirez. Carlson. Yep, I understand that, Donald. Soto. Yeah, appreciate you watching for sure, though. Tim Anderson, TJ Friedl, Joe Ryan rookie. Mike Trout. There's Royce Lewis, rookie draft pick. CJ Abrams rookie. This is Mets. Auto, 83 style. That's Davey Johnson. You go Mets. Thanks, Patrick. There's Torkelson and Lewis. O'Neal Cruz rookie. Soler. We have 4 to go now on Bowman Jumbo number 43. Braves, Cubs, Blue Jays, and Nats. Reed Detmers. Tatis debut. Satchel Paige. Skill. There's Pete Alonso. Jaron Duran. Brooks Robinson. Pujols. There's Trout postcard. Thurman Munson. Bobby Witt Jr., rookie. Hunter Green, rookie debut. I don't know. I mean, did his numbers really justify his contract? It's Luis Garcia. That is 87 variation, Future Stars variation, foil to 99. I don't think so, Trout. Not until there are a lot of guys who have PED suspensions and suspicions that have to get in before him. There's Julio Rodriguez, rookie. Vasquez. Corbin Burns. All right. Box 3. So we're at 4 and 9 to go on our Bowman Jumbo 4-box pick your team styles. This is Padres postcard box topper, Fernando Tatis Jr. All right, see you, Donald. 4 and 9 on those, and then 9 and 21 to go on our Prism and iMac Hobby 3-box mixers, random team style. Those are $25.99 a spot. And again, after our regular schedule of group breaks, I'll have some on the fly divisional and personal baseball box breaks. There's MJ Melendez. This is A's fan favorites auto, Coco Crisp. Who names their kid after cereal? TJ Friedel and Joe Ryan. Lou Bob. Yeah, you bet, Greg. Nelson Cruz. Thanks, Donald. Appreciate that. Vlad. There's Vlad Jr. debut. Rivera. It's Jaron Duran. Tim Anderson. Wander, rookie debut. This is Mookie Betts, green paper to 125. And Wander, rookie 87. All right, I'll drop a link again here for you. We have the Braves, Cubs, Blue Jays, and Nats still available in our 22 Bowman Jumbo 4-box, number 43. Pick your team style. There you go. Rizzo. Vera. There's Jeremy Pena, rookie 87.
So is Yordan
Cool.
postseason MVP so close?
Oh, absolutely. He's been so good.
He's like the new Mr. October.
I mean, he's been good. It's just postseason's the only time people are forced to watch the Astros.
That's also very fair. I mean, you ask most baseball fans, they're like, yeah, postseason baseball is my favorite thing to watch.
Yeah. Lindor, McCarthy. Julio Rodriguez, rookie debut. Rainbow foil, blue foil to 25, Matt Chapman. Blue Jays, nice color match. Stephen Kwan. Walker Buehler, Judge, Willie Mays. So again, we have Braves, Cubs, Blue Jays, and Nats left in that Bowman Jumbo number 43. That's 4-box number 43. Pick your team style. Braves are marked down to 39. Cubs are marked down from 129 to 89. Blue Jays and Nationals are both at 29. So let's get those filled. Buster Posey. All right, red hot foil. That is Shohei Ohtani. Angels, 28 of 50. There you go, Angels. Very nice. Greg T. Recap. I guess you already know that. That's awesome, Greg. Congrats. And the Angels color match there. It's Aaron Judge debut. Cal Raleigh rookie. Vlad. Bryce Elder. Trevor Rogers, Acuna, Lodolo. Cardinals, Gehrig, and Chipper. Yeah, that's awesome. Happy for you. It's been good so far. All right, Blue Jays. Postcard box topper, Vlad Guerrero Jr. My favorite ramen flavor is shrimp, followed by beef. And then, I don't know, chicken is not very good, I don't think. There's CJ Abrams, rookie. Mackenzie Gore. We have a red paper coming, should be to 75. That is Trent Grisham, Padres. Red, 24 of 75. Creamy chicken's actually not bad, but the regular chicken is not good. There's Royce Lewis. And nice. That is Pirates. Major League debut auto, Willie Randolph. It's been years since I pulled a Willie Randolph auto. There you go, Pittsburgh. Spencer Torkelson, rookie. Duke Snyder, Vasquez, O'Neal Cruz, rookie. My top 3 condiments. Probably hot sauce, because hot sauce goes on just about everything. Corbin Burns. And then I like Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce and barbecue sauce. There's Spencer Torkelson. That is rookie rainbow foil. 141 of 199. Nice card, Tigers. You go Detroit. And then maybe ketchup. I don't know. I don't like mustard. I don't like mayo. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie. Willie Mays debut. Melendez. Bryce Harper. Blackman. Julio Rodriguez, rookie. Aaron Judge, Josh Lowe. That would be my last meal. Brandon Marsh. Probably steak and shrimp fajitas. Or big old steak chimichanga. It's Joe Ryan, rookie draft pick. With like refried beans and rice. And then you scoop those with the tortilla chips. This is Reds, fan favorites autograph, George Foster. Yeah, if you know what you're looking for, Trout, I'll show you here in this next pack. So they do have photo variations. But these like this one, it's a background swap, so it would be like this color background here, and then the actual background of the photo and the little superimposed photo there or whatever. It's Jeter. And then the 87s have future stars. Cal Raleigh. Yeah, what about you, Nick? Shohei Ohtani, MVP. Let's fill up Bowman Jumbo. 4-box, number 43. Pick your teams. We still have the Braves, Cubs, Blue Jays, and Nats. Blue Jays and Nats are at 29 each. Braves are at 39, and Cubs are at 89. Babe Ruth debut. Mac. Lodolo. India. There's Hunter Green, rookie. Ricky Henderson. Jake Berger. Suzuki. Alonso. Babe Ruth. It's Verdugo. Soler. All right, 1 box to go. Let's finish strong here. Baked mac and cheese, medium rare steak, and a fully loaded baked potato. There's Jose Ramirez, postcard box topper. So what I would do is probably not load up the baked potato. I would probably put the mac and cheese on top of the potato. Like get it all ready like you're ready to butter it, but then just drop the mac and cheese on top. So I guess you could say my favorite condiment might be mac and cheese. There's Mike Trout, Gavin Sheets rookie, Brandon Marsh. There you go. It's Jeremy Pena rookie debut. There's Torkelson and Royce Lewis. Starling Marte, David Wright. Yeah, I would definitely try a mac and cheese potato. Clemente, Arenado. I would even maybe consider putting a spoonful of corn on top of that. Gwynn. O'Neal Cruz, 87 rookie. We have 22 Bowman Jumbo ripping next. Let's get that filled up. We have Braves, Cubs, Blue Jays, and Nats. There's Bryce Harper, debut. Bacon and corn. Wow. I feel like we need to make this happen, Nick. There's Hunter Green, rookie. Just a big, like, baked potato bar. That's Jake Myers, rookie red. That's the 75 Astros. 7 of 75. Nice. That is Joe West. Fan favorites auto. That'll be a random to all. He has no team affiliation. Unless you count his Yankees bias. I'm just kidding. I can't support that with any kind of evidence. Hang on. All right, so that'll be a random to all here in just a few minutes at the end of the break. So top load that one. All right. That was a cool one. I think he's the only one on the checklist that had no team affiliation. Johnny Bench. Goldie, Miggy. Mancini. Yeah. Mookie. Vlad. Plummer. We have Braves, Cubs, and Blue Jays. Nats are gone. You watch a baseball episode? All right. Yeah, definitely not for everybody. CJ Abrams rookie debut. That is Xander Bogaerts, blue foil, 25. Red Sox, 18 of 25. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I definitely need some hits and some runs for a game to be exciting most of the time. Vlad. Ohtani. There's Julio Rodriguez, international signing rookie. Adolo. Tatis. And this is Dodgers fan favorites auto, Pedro Guerrero. There you go, Dodgers. All right. Let's find a low-numbered rookie parallel in here. It's Tatis. Wander, rookie 87. There's Vlad. Hunter Green, rookie debut. And last pack. Matt Manning. Just Fox. That's Cardinals. And Jeremy Pena, rookie 87 on the back. All right, that'll do it for the break. We're going to do a random here for this Joe West umpire auto. All right, here we go. We'll randomize 6 times. Randomize 6 times, all spots in. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Royals. Get the Joe West auto. Congrats, KC. Give me just a second. We'll do a hit recap. Where'd my pen go? All right. We had Xander Bogaerts, blue foil to 25, Red Sox. Francisco Lindor, red hot foil to 50, Mets. Shohei Ohtani, red hot foil to 50, Angels. Joe West auto went to the Royals in the random. Dodgers auto, Pedro Guerrero. Reds auto, George Foster. That's Pirates auto, Willie Randolph. A's auto, Coco Crisp. Mets auto, Davey Johnson. Royals rookie draft pick auto, Jackson Kowar. A's auto, Jose Canseco. And Giants fan favorites auto, Alyssa Nakin. There you go. Nice 5-boxer. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. Bowman's up next.